So this photo right here was one of the first things I saw in Montana, and I literally had to rip my camera phone out of my pocket and start taking photos. I did not know that I was going to go there and have to take photos or do videos, or I just didn't know this was going to be such a huge thing. I mean, I got there and I was like, oh my god, there's all these faces everywhere. And maybe, okay, I have an open mind and I wanted to see things. And I asked Spirit to show me what was out there. And so this is what they showed me. Oops. Okay, I'm not very good at this. This is using Krita. I'm just getting better at it. This is about the 10th face that I've done now on this thing, and I'm just using my mouse, so... Boy, it's tough to know exactly what I'm looking at here. Because you know what? This kind of looks like a mouth right over here. Let's take a look at it. Let's this guy right over here. Let me zoom in on this a little bit. See, there's somebody looking down, and you got a mouth right here, kind of thing. Look at these lines, right up to here. Look at that. Look how square that is right there. Come in there and look at that. Let me zoom this out here. Look at that. That is just... That's tough to tell because of the shadows. But these lines are pretty straight, though. Look at that. Very interesting. And look, they come kind of up to a point. Let's draw that out a little bit. Look at this. Right here. This little crack. Isn't that interesting? I apologize for my cracky voice today as well because I have a little bit of a stuffy nose. So bear with me, folks. That is really interesting. Let me just black that out. We're going to back off and take a look and see what this looks like. Does this look like a mouth? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's come in here and look at this. Okay, let me back up again. That sure looks like a mouth. Alright, this is so interesting. This was not where I was thinking there was going to be a mouth. Let's go ahead and make a black line right here. Just clean this up a little bit. What am I looking at here? Oh my goodness. Does this look kind of roundy here? Like, okay, if there's a mouth here and we have a nose here. Is this a nose? Look at this. What is this right here? Do you see this shadowing right here? Do you see this right here? Is that... Am I just... I'm not drawing that very well. Okay. Is that too big for a nostril? Let's... I like... this guy. Oh, goodness. It's really bad because there's another mouth right here. Look at this. Sometimes I've seen this in the Montana Megalith. There'll be more than one face on the same structure. So we have this mouth right here. But okay, I'm going a little crazy. Let's stick with this mouth down here. We have a nose, perhaps. The nose comes up over here. We have some eyes. Look at that. Look at that. Let me zoom in on that. Zoom in, please. Thank you. Okay. Right here. Look at that line. It's the eyeball. Somebody came in here and drew this before me, so they're making it easy for me. Hold on, let me try that again. Let's zoom in on that. Gosh, that is so interesting with this red up here. Like, is this red his eyebrow? Oh, there's a tool. I just saw it. It says this one. Is that it? How do I use it? Similar color selection tool. Oh god, what did I do? Oh, it's trying to use the whole thing. What's that? Apparently that's awesome. Oh god. Frickin' hell. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that didn't work. Let's try and find some similar color here. What do you think? More on the ready? That's pretty close. Right there. Let's try that. Yeah, I want to use that one. Can I use that? Thank you. Get this. It's all up in here. But only right here. Look, there was only the red right here. Over off of this side, it's just pink granite. Up here, it looks like pink granite. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, we got some red up here, though. Let's zoom this out a little bit. Oh my god, it looks like a face. That is unbelievable. Look at that. That is unfreaking believable. I was not expecting that. That is so crazy. Literally, I thought the eyes were up here. There may be another set of eyes in this very top part. I know you can't see my cursor, but I mean, we're underneath these lines. But look at that. You can almost cut and print that right there. Look at this. Oh, I'm so crazy. Okay. Let's see if I can make this look better. Gosh, I kind of feel like I see her face. And the head kind of going up this way. What do you think of that? Is that the sign? Am I just trying to put a head on this thing? It almost looks like there's the second face, though. Again, it's coming out. I'm tripping. Like, look, here's another set of eyes. Here's another face right down here. Here's another chin coming out. I'm like, okay. Darn us, this looks. It's just. where would her ear be? Apparently it's a female. You just follow this line right here. This is really interesting right here. Because look at this, listen to this contrast right here. We have the pink on the left. Look at this crack. I'm just following this crack up. I'm following these colors. Is that where the ear would be? Let me just follow this line up here. Gosh. I don't know where to go now. Does that look right? What do you think, guys? Does that look right? Oh, it kind of looks like Princess Leia. You know, you pop a couple of buns on her. Jeez, that is really, really interesting. That is so interesting. Let me just try something here. Just take this line right here. Just taking this line right here. It's already here. You guys see this line right here? Just following this line right up around here. I swear there's a line right there. Okay, kind of losing it. Losing the line right there. But let's back this out. I can undo that if I need. Look at that! Are you kidding me? That is unbelievable. Seriously. Kind of looks like a bald guy now. Like, you know, you just take this line right here, you just follow it up a little bit, and yep, you got yourself a guy with some little patches of hair right there, and like some little things right over here. You know what I'm saying? We didn't do that. Wow. I mean, I never know what I'm going to get until I go into this and I do this, but this is definitely one of those times where I'm very surprised by what I found, and I'm very glad that you guys came along with me on this journey today. My name is DarvestB, and please drop a comment. You know, what do you guys think? Is this a man-made structure? Did man take this structure that was rock and then put things on it to make it look like this? Like, I've had some ideas where it looks like things are missing. Like, maybe they put jewels in the eyes, like perhaps there were crystals or different types of jewel stones embedded in these faces. And somebody came along later and did some, you know, the mining happened. They did mining in this area. You know, it is the treasure state. Montana's, that's one of their slogans. You know, it's the treasure state. So, hey,